All rise. Support court with Judge Van Der Bee is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1076, Paul case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Good to see you back.
Good to see you.
Okay, all right. And the last time you were here, we were here for your daughter. You had both her children. Mm-hmm. Okay, who is this?
This is my youngest daughter, Kayla, and we have her kid now, so we're trying to somehow get some more income because she's not giving us really nothing. And we just...
You all are just that great of grandparents.
All right, folks, buckle up. This courtroom showdown is packed with family drama. Mr. Paul is back, and this time he's brought his youngest daughter to court. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill custody battle. It's about money, responsibility, and some serious tough love. Mr. Paul and his wife have been caring for their daughter's baby since he was just a week old, and now they're asking for child support in return. But as you'll soon find out, their daughter isn't exactly on board with that. This case is about to peel back some deep family secrets and spark real questions about what it means to be a responsible parent. By the end, you'll be wondering, who's really in the wrong here?
Yes.
You left your newborn baby with your parents?
Every day.
Well, I mean, people make mistakes, and
so he's a mistake?
Wow.
You knew what you were doing.
If I could take it back, I would, honestly. But
if you could take what back?
Really?
Everything that's happened over the last year and a half.
So you were pregnant within the last year and a half. Are you speaking about taking that back?
Yes, it was a mistake. People make mistakes all the time.
Our grandchild is not a mistake, okay?
I'm going to act like you did not just say that.
Yes.
I'm going to act like you did not just say that.
Wow.
And we're going to move forward with what's going on today. Okay. The reality is that you have a 6-month-old baby boy who you passed off to your parents. Okay? Mm-hmm. Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay. They're here today because they want you to pay child support for your son.
Okay. In my defense, they set up the baby shower and all of that. I never signed up for any of that. And at the baby shower, they let me know that if it was anything that I need, they would be there.
Right.
And I need them right now.
Wait a minute.
So they should be here.
Hold on. Let's rewind. Mrs. Paul, give me 1 minute, okay? Give me 1 minute. Let's rewind something. They threw you a baby shower and told you whatever you needed, they would be there to help, right? Mm-hmm. Not to, is that a yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
They said they would be there to help, not necessarily take parentage away from you for your child. You understand that, right?
I understand.
They're grandparents. They're not parents.
Exactly.
Yes.
So don't you believe you should be financially supporting your baby boy while he's with you?
The tension in the courtroom is thick. Mrs. Paul says her 16-year-old daughter left her 6-month-old baby in their care so she could focus on school and get her life together. But here's the kicker. Since then, she hasn't contributed a single dime in child support for the child she brought into this world. The judge doesn't mince words, reminding everyone that plenty of parents manage school while raising kids. Needing help doesn't erase financial responsibility. So the question looms, is it fair for grandparents to shoulder the full weight of raising a child while the parent only shows up when it's convenient? Emotions are running hot, the moral lines are blurred, and the judge is holding the line. You can feel for both sides, but when it comes down to it, who's really in the right?
Be living my best life right now.
You say that, baby.
Traveling, seeing the world.
I do not necessarily disagree with that.
They always act broke. It's crazy.
Whether they act like they have money or broke, the point is that they have raised you and your sister. They should not be raising you and your sister's children.
Yes, ma'am, I hear that, but I'm actually trying. I graduated high school.
Congratulations.
I'm in residency school.
Congratulations.
And Christy, on the other hand,
we're not talking about her.
Excuse me, we're not talking about Christy. We're here to talk about you. Let's not put any blame or anything on her. First of all, she's not here to defend herself.
Right.
Secondly, we're talking about a newborn baby here that belongs to you. So,
Yes, ma'am.
congratulations for graduating high school, being in school.
A year later.
But you're a parent now.
I'm there.
You're a parent now. And that's where I come in to make sure that you financially take care of this child.
Thank you.
Especially since the child doesn't live with you.
Exactly.
And hasn't lived. She only kept him for a week.
A week, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, is that true?
Well, I have to get back to school.
So the answer is yes.
I'm out here trying to save lives. I mean, yes, but
But you're not trying to save your own baby's life?
Exactly.
What make that make sense?
when I have the time, I see him.
When? When's the last time you came and seen him?
I was just there last week.
After
For
what, a
5
month?
minutes?
That's besides the point. I will make time.
How is that besides the point?
This is their first time bringing up the time situation to me. So when it becomes a problem and they let me know, then I will make time.
Okay.
Here's where things get real. The judge puts Mrs. Paul on blast for trying to dodge responsibility. She's been hiding her income from her parents, even though she's making $48,000 a year. And yet, she believes she doesn't owe them a cent in support for the child they've been raising. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it, straight up calling her behavior selfish. But it doesn't stop there. She's now on the hook for back child support dating all the way back to her son's birth, plus health insurance costs and regular ongoing payments. Harsh? Maybe. Necessary? Absolutely. Sometimes, tough love is the only thing that gets results. But now the big question, did the judge go too far? Or was this exactly the wake-up call that needed to happen?
Person, but evidently she went off track somehow. But
Probably that year she went astray. The year
probably,
and a half.
yeah.
Okay.
She went astray for a year and a half
But
when she was 16.
What I want to know is, who's the father? I mean, what is the father doing? I mean,
You know, that is a good question, Mr.
mean-
Paul. Where is this child's father?
Do you even know who
Probably
he
in
is?
Hawaii with his wife or something.
What?
Oh,
I mean,
Why?
he's married?
I said it was a mistake. I said it was a mistake.
Okay. Now
Don't call
it's
him
making
a
sense
mistake.
now.
Call what you did was a mistake, but the
Exactly.
baby is not a mistake.
exactly.
Okay.
The only
Well, the mistake
boy
led
in the
to
family.
the baby, so kind of all sound like a mistake to me.
Okay,
But-
well, you know what? I'm not going to mistake these child support numbers once I give them to you, okay? Now, you said you make about $48,000 a year. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that brings your gross to $4,000, making your net $3,356.08. Do you have any other children?
No,
Okay.
I don't know.
don't.
Mr. Paul, what was that?
Trust me, I don't, and I don't
I don't
plan
know.
on it.
She may have some more that we don't know about. So
Okay. Well, hopefully, if that's the case, you all do not have to take those kids in either.
thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, I mean, this is ridiculous. You left that baby with your parents, do not provide any financial support, and then have the audacity not even to tell your parents how much money you're making. That's just wrong.
I didn't even think that I had to tell them how much money comes into
No.
my
No,
account.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Really?
You're wrong. And I'm not going to sit up here and play like you're not. I'm telling you to your face, you're wrong.
It's clear Mr. and Mrs. Paul are at their breaking point, and who could blame them? They've already raised their daughter, and now they're raising her child too. But this case goes beyond dollars and cents. It's about emotional responsibility and the evolving role of grandparents in today's families. Mrs. Paul's lack of involvement is hard to ignore. She's been leaning on the "I'm too busy with school" excuse, but as the judge made clear, being a parent doesn't come with a pause button. When you bring a child into the world, life stops being just about you. This ruling was a tough dose of reality, but maybe that's exactly what she needs. The real question now is, will this wake-up call push her to finally step up and take her role as a parent seriously?
Net is $3,356.08. Who can? Never mind. How much is health insurance for this baby?
What?
It's like 250?
250, yeah, 250.
For the baby alone?
Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, so we're also going to make you reimburse health insurance of $250.
Excuse me?
That bring, Oh, did you not hear me? You want me to say it a little louder? It's $250 for a health insurance reimbursement. Okay? Plus your child support obligation of $671.
Yes.
That brings monthly child support to $921.
Okay, well, if I gotta pay that, I'm not coming around. Like,
and you know what?
And
you know what? I missed something. I missed something because your parents asked for back pay.
Hello.
Back pay.
They asked for back pay since the baby has been living with them. That comes out to $5,526, and I'm going to have you reimburse that at $100 a month.
Thank you.
That $921 plus an additional $100 comes out to $1,021 that you're going to be paying your parents every month.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Even
welcome.
though I was coming to visit him and stuff, like,
Even though you were coming to
Yes.
visit, you just said something key. You said visit. You're the parent. They should be visiting,
Hello.
not the other way around. They've raised you and your sister. It's not their.
The pressure hits a new high as the judge delivers the final order, $921 a month in child support, plus an extra $100 toward back payments. That's a hefty sum for someone who's been largely absent from her own child's life. The courtroom is thick with tension as Mr. and Mrs. Paul stand their ground, demanding accountability from their daughter. But this case goes deeper than finances. It's about the true cost of responsibility and the emotional toll that comes with neglecting your child. As for Mrs. Paul, her demeanor still seems distant, detached. The big question now, will this ruling finally jolt her into stepping up, or is it just another scene in a long pattern of excuses? One thing's certain, this story isn't over yet.
Child. So since they have chosen to take on that responsibility, you're going to be responsible for the financial side. Is there anything further?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, Mr. and Mrs. Harrell? I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. I called you by your first name, Mr. Paul.
That's okay. That's okay. Anything else, baby?
Well, let's take what we can get because anything else?
Okay. No, I think that's it.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm sorry. Excuse me when you get done.
Yes, ma'am. Was there something else you needed to
No,
let me know?
ma'am.
Okay. I heard you mumble a little bit. I didn't know if you had something else to say.
I had something in my throat.
Oh, okay.
I bet you did.
Mrs. Paul. Mr. Paul, that's inappropriate.
Oh,
Mrs.
I'm sorry.
Paul.
I'm sorry.
We just need to make sure we need to set up visitation schedule because she does need to take care of them.
Yes, she does.
When we travel.
Well, here's the deal. Legally, you can't force her to do that, okay? The only thing you all can do is, make sure you maintain your custody, right? And she can see the baby, but that's going to depend on what she wants to do. If she doesn't want to visit the child, I can't make her do that, but I can make her pay.
Well, we'll rather take something instead of nothing.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good.
And there you have it, folks, a hard-hitting decision that might just change the direction of this young mother's life. The judge's final words delivered a clear message. Parenting isn't something you can pause when it gets inconvenient. It's a lifelong commitment. Mrs. Paul just got a serious reality check, and it's clear the road ahead for this family won't be easy. This case is a stark reminder that family dynamics are rarely simple, and the cost of neglecting your responsibilities, both emotional and financial, can be high. If this case hit you as hard as it hit us, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama. Until next time.